everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer. In this video, I'm going to be trying out a product called Perma Patch. It's a professional grade, instant but permanent pothole repair that's really simple to use. You just open the bag, pour Perma Patch into the hole and drive. This product can save towns and cities a lot of money and time with a simple, permanent solution. This is something you typically use on a public road, but for my safety, the good people at Napa Auto Parts agreed to let me use their parking lot to demonstrate. I'll be taking you there in just a second. The product comes in 60-pound bags or pails of 50 or 30 pounds. Here are a few key points about this product before I begin. Perma Patch is the proven #1 most durable asphalt repair material per the Federal Highway Administration testing. Easy to use, you just open the bag, pour the product into the pothole and drive over it to tamp it down. It accepts traffic immediately, which I hope to demonstrate here in a little bit with the help of a few of my friends. It can be used in any weather condition, in all seasons, even in the rain. It has a 2-year shelf life. Perma Patch comes in bags and pails, both are resealable. The bags can be rolled up or the pails can be closed, which creates a seal that will last a few more months. Every bag is labeled with a best used by date. Partially used bags won't set up and become unusable. It has the best durability in the toughest applications, especially in areas with differing materials or movement where other patch materials become brittle and crack. It bonds strongly and maintains the seal with asphalt, concrete, metal, and wood, but does not stick to rubber tires. It won't cause cracks in the surrounding pavement. It's Department of Transportation approved for use in all 50 states. It can be used in water-filled potholes. There's no prep time, no mixing, no curing time, no special tools are necessary. A couple things to note first. Holes that are about 3 inches deep fill completely, leaving about 3/4 inch extra above and around the hole to allow for compaction. Now the potholes I'll be demonstrating on fit into that category. Holes deeper than that, you're going to need to fill in increments, meaning fill about 3 inches, tamp it down, fill another 3 inches, tamp it down, etc. And then you're going to want to leave about 1 inch above and around to allow for settling. I know a lot of people are going to ask, how long does this last? And the answer is, it will hold up for decades as long as the areas of the road surrounding it stay intact. Okay, so let's get to it. I'm actually really excited to give this a try. Okay, first I'm going to be demonstrating on this pothole. I'm going to get all of the loose aggregate out of it first. So after I cut that open, I realized there's a pull tab. All right, so inside, here's what the product looks like. I need a little more. So it looks like for a pothole the size of this one that a 30-pound, now my bag is not, my bag was a trial bag. It isn't something you can buy in that size, but you can buy the pail in 30 pounds, which is what I have. And it looks like one 30-pound bag was about good for that pothole. So I'm just gonna push this so that it is a little bit over the surrounding area. And then I'm going to elicit some help. Will you do me a favor and drive over this?
What's that?
You earn a gold star for the day for helping out a stranger. Perfect. Perfect. Thank you. All right, so there's one pass. Good. Good. If you're interested in purchasing this product, you can visit permapatch.com/where-to-buy or call 800-847-5744 for pricing and shipping details. So I hope this video was helpful. Please leave any comments you have for me or questions below in the comments. I hope you'll follow me here and on Instagram and TikTok. As always, I thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.